Hi, I'm Francesca from Green Acres Nursery and Supply, and today I want to talk to you about our favorite part of fall, which is planting vegetables. So fall is the perfect time to plant some winter vegetables, and at Green Acres Nursery and Supply we carry various varieties in all of our store locations. A couple of things that we like to use while planting our winter vegetables is the Zippystone Organics Sure Start, and what that's going to do is help prevent plant shock when planting your vegetables, and it'll also help create and build strong roots. The second product that we like to use with the vegetables is the Zippystone Organics Tomato and Vegetable Food, and what that's going to do is provide all the necessary nutrients to help your babies grow. A couple of my favorite varieties that we do carry are the lettuces. We have romaine, dark leafy greens, light leafy greens, and everything in between. Now let's go check out some other vegetables that we have in stock. So here on my right hand side we do have a couple of variety of cabbages. We have the red cabbage and the classic green cabbage, which is great for soups. Another one of my favorite vegetables that we do carry at the moment is the different varieties of kale, which is really popular in frozen smoothies.
Answer the question on the screen in the comments below for your chance to win a $25 gift card to Green Acres Nursery and Supply. 4 winners will be chosen during our virtual fall festival that's going on from September 21st through 27th, 2020. Be sure to check the comments on Sunday, September 27th to see if you won. Happy fall!
A couple of other favorite and popular vegetables that we do have in stock are beets, several varieties of cauliflower, artichoke, and bunching onions and red onion. We hope you enjoyed this video. We're excited to see you this fall in the nurseries, and we're here to always answer all of your questions.